Hi everybody, today we're going to be looking at something really important. This rule is how to live your life. This one rule tells you how to live your entire life. This rule is really important. It's going to captivate your perspective on your life. Yes, this is the 10-3-2-1-0 rule. The 10. What does 10 stand for in this rule? 10 hours before bedtime, you should not have any caffeine. Yes, no caffeine in your body 10 hours before you sleep, because that is going to affect your sleep hormone, which you call the dopamine. The secretion of dopamine wouldn't be present, so that's going to actually harm you, so which will be killing your sleep off. So it's going to be destroying your entire cycle the next day. So avoid your caffeine. So where is caffeine present? It's coffee, tea, juices, sports drinks, and lot of soda cans. So basically avoid and say no to them 10 hours before your bedtime. 3. What does the 3 stand for? The 3 stands for anything solid. The solid food. You should not be having any solid food 3 hours before your bedtime. So if you're sleeping at 10 o'clock, you should not be having any caffeine after 12 p.m. You should not be having any solid foods after 7 p.m. Yes. This is something which you have to remember, because anything which you have eat after 7 p.m., just in case of this example, it's not going to be easily digested, because you're going to sleep at 10 o'clock and your digestion process will actually not happen so fastly when you're like sleeping, because there's no energy that's being burned. So that's going to actually store as fats in your body, and that's going to be making you obese. And the 2, what does the 2 imply in this case? The 2 implies any strainful work like doing your homeworks or anything complex which your brain has to think upon and work upon. You should not be doing anything like that, because that's going to be taking a lot of space from your brain, and that's going to actually not let your brain to calm down before you sleep. So it's going to take you a while to actually sleep. So 8 o'clock, finish all of your studies before you sleep at 10. Okay, 1. The 1 stands for the 1 hour before your bedtime. At 9 o'clock, you should for sure not be having any screen time at all. Yes, that might be a bit difficult, but still, yeah, you should not be having any screen time, because that's going to be killing your eye health, as well as that it's going to be killing your sleep as well. So you should not be having anything like that sort. And finally, what does the 0 imply? The 0 is the procrastination. So the 0 in this procrastination actually means that you should not be snoozing your alarm when you wake up in the morning. If you have your alarm at 6 o'clock, which is 8 hours of sleep, just wake up at 6 o'clock. Or if you actually want to wake up at 6:30, don't set your alarm at 6:15 or 6:10, because that is going to be actually disturbing your cycle for the next 20 minutes, because the 20 minutes of your sleep, that's going to be actually killing you. So you cannot even get up when you procrastinate, as well as that you cannot not have better sleep as well. So basically the 10 is the caffeine, 3 is the food, 2 is the complex work, 1 is your screen time, and 0 is the procrastination. And that's all for this rule. So just follow this rule and change your life. I'll meet you all tomorrow in a new video. Until then, bye-bye, see you later. It's me, Ashwan, signing off.